Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can exchange XRP for cash. It's quite simple. All you need to do is open up a centralized exchange, and the centralized exchange I'm going to be working with for today's video is Binance. So once you selected the Binance option, please make sure you deposit your XRP here. And in order to deposit, click on the deposit icon at the top of the screen. Click on this deposit, select the XRP. Proceed to select the network, that's the main XRP network, and copy the wallet address of the XRP tag, and then you can deposit your XRP. So guys, before you can get any of this done, you're going to need an account on Binance. By using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, all you need to do is deposit the XRP. And once you've deposited the XRP on Binance, you simply head over to the wallet section. Once at the overview, scroll to the spot so you have a look at your XRP. And with your XRP available on your wallet, simply head back to the home icon, click on the convert option. Now we're going to be converting our XRP into the USDT, and we can do this by clicking on the USDT icon, selecting the XRP, and where it says to, select the USDT and click on max and click on preview conversion and click on convert. So guys, we've successfully converted our XRP into the USDT. All we need to do now is quite simple. Head over to the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. We're dropped at the spot wallet. We have our USDT. Click on this transfer icon here and simply click on Bitcoin, select the USDT. And as you can see here, the detail of the transfer is from the spot wallet to the funding. So simply click on max and click on confirm transaction and click on confirm transfer. Now, once the transfer has been made, scroll over to the funding wallet, reload the funding account or wallet. Once you've done this, click on the P2P icon that's here. Simply click on the profile menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once there, click on the payment method option, click on add a payment method. Please note that adding a payment method depends on your region, as each payment method is unique to each region. So once you've added a payment method, head back to the home section, click on the sell menu. By clicking sell, make sure you're using the USDT tab, not the Bitcoin or FDUSD. The USDT tab is where we're working with. And all you need to do now is simply scroll through and select sell with any of the various merchants. So once you've selected the sell option, your payment method is going to be highlighted, and you can click on this and select any of your available payment methods. Click on all and simply click on sell with zero fee. So guys, that's how you can simply exchange the XRP for cash. Do comment down below if you have a question, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.